Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Jeep Renegade, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace and change your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. I'm going to show you on low beam. So first we're going to do, we're going to pop the hood, find the latch right here, pull it, over here, move the latch to the left, raise the hood up and secure it. Okay, so actually this is the simplest car I've ever seen I've done this on, so let me show you. We have this rubber cover here, okay, so we have to remove it. Just peel it off like this. Next thing right here, we have the bulb. So what we're trying to do, we're gonna try to get it, and as you can see, we just spin it. So I just took it, spinned it, and here it comes. Push some here. Okay, to remove the bulb from the connector, we have to press this pin here. This pin we press, again, press on it, and just pull the bulb off. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. Once you have the new bulb, try not to touch the glass with your fingers. Again, put it back in, just connect it. Okay, let me see the size. Size is H13, so just connect it like this, and again wiggle it in. Find the correct position and spin it like this. Okay, make sure it's nice and solid. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple, as you can see. Same thing is with this side. Also, don't forget to take the cover and put it on like this. Very simple. Okay guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.